Will killer robots replace human soldiers in near future? The development and deployment of killer robots, also known as autonomous weapon systems, is a controversial and complex issue that raises important ethical, legal, and strategic concerns. While these systems have the potential to reduce the risk of human casualties in conflict situations, they also raise serious questions about the role of humans in warfare and the potential for unintended consequences. It is unlikely that killer robots will completely replace human soldiers in the near future. While autonomous weapon systems are becoming more advanced, they still lack the decision-making capabilities and nuanced judgment that humans possess. Moreover, the use of lethal force requires complex moral and ethical considerations that are difficult to program into machines. However, there are concerns that the use of killer robots could lead to a dehumanization of warfare and a reduction in the value placed on human life. Moreover, there are concerns that the development of autonomous weapon systems could lead to an arms race, with countries competing to develop ever more sophisticated and deadly machines. In summary, while the development and deployment of killer robots is a complex and controversial issue, it is unlikely that they will make human soldiers completely obsolete. However, their use raises important ethical and strategic concerns that need to be carefully considered and addressed.